With wireless display, HDMI dongle, you can cast anything to the big screen. Wow! Today introduce 7 model best wireless display mirroring to big screen. Let's go. Let's go number 1. HDMI dongle Wi-Fi display receiver. Let's see inside AnyCast Dongle HDMI. Okay, my friend, you can see here manual user for use English language. You can see here, and HDMI dongle AnyCast. Here, this key for reset setting. Micro USB input for power supply 5 volt with this and this USB connector. Wi-Fi receiver here. You can see you can mirroring from smartphone to LCD TV or projector, notebook and pad to LCD TV. This model is cheap model and support full HD. Here you can see support full HD video. Here you can see Mira adapter for iOS, Windows 10. That's good. This model 2.4 GHz. Let's go number 2. Number 2, MiraScreen G23. This model is CPU AM8268B wireless 2.4G and 5G, but this model is 2.4G. This model supports full HD resolution image and mobile phone screen mirroring, computer screen casting projector, support Windows, Mac, Android, iOS and other device. Let's see inside. What's inside? Inside here, this dongle, MiraScreen G23 model. This key for reset setting. This micro USB input for power supply 5 volt with this cable. You can power supply with this cable and USB and cable HDMI to mini HDMI port here, LED light here, HDMI output for input TV, projector or monitor. User manual, you can see. You can use either Mira app for this device, setup for Windows, application either Mira, setup for Mac, use MiraCast, setup for Android, setup for iOS. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, model G4 wireless display, MiraScreen, new brand, support full HD resolution. As you can see here, wireless 2.G GHz, CPU is AM825E. This model better than these two models. This model quality is better. Let's go see inside. MiraScreen G4 model. You can see cable HDMI output to TV or projector, made in China. Input micro USB here for power supply. Reset key here for reset setting. LED light here. User display manual user here. Let's see. Quick mirroring setup for iOS, setup for Mac, Android, for Windows, and more advanced setting here. Connect to home router Wi-Fi. This is important. Connect to home router Wi-Fi. Hardware installation. How to install hardware. Let's go to number 4. Are you ready for number 5? Number 5 and number 6, number 7 and number 4 is better than number 1, number 2, number 3 because support 5G or 4K display. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, this model. This model is, as you can see here, 4K and 5G. That's good. 4K and 5G. Support 4K resolution, support 2.4G and 5G dual Wi-Fi connection, and support Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and everything you can use for games, home theater, and online education. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, this model. This model supports 4K UHD. That's very important. 4K UHD and 5G dual band. Model G9 Plus. Support Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, and here is important. G9 Plus function airplane MiraCast DLNA and CPU AM8272. It's important. Support wireless protocol here. Let's go to number 6. Number 6 is this MiraScreen 5G. Number 6, wireless display adapter, MiraScreen brand and model here G10. G10 CPU AM8272. Wireless 2.4G and 5G. This important dual band, but I think this model is not 4K resolution support. Let's see inside this dongle. HDMI, good design, is professional design. HDMI output to TV, input micro USB for power supply here, reset key here, and Wi-Fi antenna, dual band here, micro USB and USB